Its hazards are hostile to us all. Its conquest deserves the best of all mankind, and its opportunity for peaceful cooperation may never come again. But why, some say, the moon? Why choose this as our goal? And they may well ask, why climb the highest mountain? Why, 35 years ago, fly the Atlantic? Why does Rice play Texas? We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
It took nearly a decade to get ready for my first space flight. We had classes and screenings and simulators. We had finally passed them all, and I was going to be the pilot of Space Shuttle Discovery's mission STS-119. On orbit, one of my jobs was to get the spacewalkers ready for their work. We suited them up and we configured their tools and we sent them out into space to work on the assembly of the International Space Station. I still remember the day, flight day 5, like it was yesterday. At the end of their spacewalk, I was the one that opened up the hatch. I was completely blown away. After over a decade of training, no one had told me space smells. The smell was strong and unique, nothing like anything I'd ever smelled on Earth before. Some kind of metallic mixture of other things that I just didn't know how to describe. Rarely a day goes by when I don't think about the smell of space.
NASA developed the smell of space decades ago, but it's been clouded behind FOIA requests and red tape. Now we're working to bring the smell of space to the public so that everyone can experience outer space for themselves. Please support our project today.
Last year, you helped bring Luminate to market with almost 1,000 backers. Now we ask, what do you want to see for our next product launch? Well, we listened. Now introducing Luminate Full Spectrum. Full Spectrum features a waterproof 4-foot body, completely app controlled, RGB plus true white, a long-lasting and quick charging battery with a Type-C input. It's completely mountable with our Luminate plate. It's extremely durable, and most importantly, it's a whole lot of fun. With our app, you can control, synchronize, and program Luminate lights so you have full control over the hue, saturation, and brightness. Along with RGB, you get a 95 CRI, fully controllable Kelvin temperature. The app will even allow Luminate to change colors to the beat of your music. Our dynamic Luminate plate helps you mount your units wherever you please. With a 1/4 inch input and a flexible gooseneck, you can mount and adjust up to 4 units at a time. You can also use the mini tripod legs to stand up and light wherever you are. Luminate can also be used while charging. The battery can last over 12 hours and quickly charges with a USB-C charging port. Our goal when we designed Luminate was to give you all the creative control you need to easily create beautiful content wherever you are. Join us on our journey and be the first to receive Full Spectrum by backing our project only on Kickstarter.
Introducing Instafloss, the world's first device that flosses your teeth automatically in just 10 seconds. Instafloss is 2 times more effective than manual flossing and infinitely more comfortable. With swappable mouthpieces and adjustable pressure, Instafloss makes flossing easy for everyone. With one sweep, pulsing water jets floss for you, never missing a single spot. The jets floss thoroughly between each tooth and clean deeper into the gums than string. Compared to string, water flossing is more effective at reducing gingivitis, reducing bleeding, and removing plaque. The jets clean 360 degrees around each tooth and are always at the dentist's recommended 90-degree angle. Instafloss feels great, works with braces, dental prostheses, and teeth of any shape, so you can keep your smile beautiful in just 10 seconds a day. With Instafloss, even those nights you're exhausted, it'll be easier than ever to floss quickly and comfortably, so you can spend more time doing what you love. Instafloss, the world's first 10-second floss.
Bye, Jeff.
Bye.
Nothing. Really? Nothing? Yeah. What are you looking at? Really?
No.
Nothing's going on?
No, that's it.
It's
No.
right?